In this video, I'll show you how to export a video using Wisecut. Now, this is for when you've already gone ahead and created a project, got it all dialed in, maybe you've done some edits to it, and you're ready to export it. This is either for uploading to a platform or downloading the video for yourself. This is the final step of the editing process, so you can see all the tabs for the other steps within the editing process, such as storyboard, translations, music, and settings. And so if you went ahead and made changes to that original video, but haven't re-rendered it, you'll see this tab at the top saying some changes were not previewed. If you want to see these changes before exporting, you can render it. Now, you can skip that process entirely by simply going down and exporting the video. And before you do, you want to make sure you've got your settings for it dialed in. And I have burned in captions toggled on, which allows me to then choose from the language available. And because this video is already labeled as an English video, my option is English. And then you've got resolution. I have the choice of 720p, 1080, or 4K, whatever fits best for your need. And then the size. Size is in regards to aspect ratio. Now, the original aspect ratio is the same size as the original clips that you uploaded and then edited. You can do 16:9, which is your standard screen size that's good for YouTube and other platforms that do a wider video like that. You've got vertical, which is obviously the opposite of that, meant for phones and mobile devices. And then square. Square is good for platforms like Twitter or other things like that, where they prefer a square video. Now, once you've got all of those set in, you can choose to toggle on audio and video. If you toggle it off, it's going to be an audio only export. And then burned in captions. Captions are directly burned into your video on export, so they can't be turned on or off when people are watching, but it's a good thing to use for mobile platforms such as TikTok or Instagram because you can see the text on screen, and that's a popular video trend. Now, if you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and hit the export video button. And this will begin the export. You'll get an email when this is good to go. And now that the video has finished exporting, you can see that over here on the left that there's no longer an edit button, just a preview and export button. If I click on this, it'll bring me to this page, which shows you where you can share it directly to YouTube. If you link your YouTube account, you can directly upload it from here. You can download the finished video, you can download the subtitles and transcript, or if you choose, you can export a new version with the same export settings as below. If you wanted to change something based off the last export, you can go ahead and do that and then re-export the video. And then you'll see the edit project button over here. Now, this will allow you to take the video and go back into editing it if you want to make some final changes. And so that's how you export a video using Wisecut. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're not already using Wisecut, definitely check it out. It's one of the best AI video editing platforms around. Thanks for watching, and until next time.